Hey everybody, Jason with Inland Valley Customs again. Wanted to show you the motor assembly replacement kit that's available on our website at inlandvalleycustoms.com and also through our eBay page. Really easy to replace. Going to walk you through it right now. All you're going to need is a 5/32 Allen and a 13mm socket. That is it. And I'll demonstrate now. I like to work with the motors upright. That enables us to keep all of the other components in place without them falling out onto your bench and onto your floor. There are a couple of items that do like to do that. There's a tiny little ball in there and also your gears, your planetary gears. We're going to take these through bolts out, be very delicate. And now the solenoid motor post, 13mm, just loosen it a little bit. We'll take the brush holder wire right off. Give it a wiggle, leave your brush holder screws in place. We don't need to do that just yet. Set that out and make sure the ball is not stuck to the end of your armature. This one has stayed in place and we can see down there. Make sure it is in the center. It does like to pop up and move into the gears. So I can see down in there now. Our ball is right down in the center there where it needs to be. Okay, we're going to take out the gear guard. Just lift it out like that. That's going to pop out. We're going to take our new motor out of the box, peel off your masking tape that was holding on the shield, and you can drop on your new shield. It goes this way with your bevel facing upwards, just like the old one. Drop that into place. Where the motor brush is already pre-aligned, you're going to pop that right back in. We've got an index there. It's going to go in this little groove. Give it a wiggle so it goes into the gears okay. And it sits right down comfortably with no stress. Go ahead and turn your wire and put that into place on the solenoid. 13mm once again. And that's snug. Now, through bolts. If you have access to a little bit of blue Loctite, or thread locker as some like to call it, we're going to put a little bit on the end of the threads there. Drop those down the holes. And we're going to put these back on very gently. We do not want to break the threaded tabs down in the bottom there. Once all the way down, turn it another quarter of a turn, and that is as tight as they want to be. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have the revised design, the new revision, and yours looks like this on the cutout, and we've got a shot of the gear housing as well, how that looks. If yours looks like this, don't fret. We do have this motor kit available as well. It is the new revised design, and it is available on our website at inlandvalleycustoms.com and also on our eBay page at Inland Valley Customs. Please feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. We're always here to help. Our telephone number is 951-821-6230. And as always, safe riding.